Operation Dujala leader Nhlanhla Lux has been arrested. Dlamini was arrested on Thursday afternoon. While police were yet to confirm his arrest, a source said Dlamini's detention emanated from charges laid against him at the Dobsonville police station on Wednesday. Operation Dujala deputy chairperson Dan Radeby said Dlamini was arrested shortly after he came out of the Kaya FM studios in Parktown, where he had had an interview. He was informed that it had to do with the Dobsonville case, Radeby said. It was a smooth arrest because he did not resist. At 8:30 p.m., Radeby said he was at the Johannesburg Central Police Station where Dlamini was being detained. "We are still trying to find the facts, but in all likelihood he will appear in the Roodepoort Magistrates Court on Friday," said Radeby. The case against Dlamini and Operation Dujala members had been opened by Soweto resident Victor Raimrave, whose home was allegedly ransacked by Operation Dujala members on Sunday. The group claimed to be acting on tip-offs from the community that drugs were being sold from Ramaraf's home. Drugs were found during the raid, but Raimrave said his property was damaged. The EFF had backed Raimrave in laying assault and theft charges against Dlamini. Operation Dujala and other Dujala groupings have in recent weeks been in the spotlight over their campaigns, which are mainly aimed at evicting illegal immigrants and removing them from informal trading spaces.